skies very gray. That's windy, guys. Oh my God, guys! Like, look at the storm. Sorry, guys, for the bad camera, but yeah, here I am. I hear the wind. The wind, guys. So, Chemo, don't worry, Chemo will be safe. So, guys, it's very bad storm right now. A little closer to the trees. Look at these trees. Like, one of them, look at that. Guys, the storm actually, guys, the storm came from over there by the hall. And it was by the lake over there that we have a lake, like on the other side of those houses. And it's pretty crazy, like, it's non-stop wind right now. Pretty crazy. Oh my God. The house is closing. Hopefully they don't lock it or else I'm gone. I'm dead. So, it's pretty crazy right now. Crazy. It's cooling down. What the heck? Oh, now it's getting... Guys, it's worse. That's not looking good for us right now. You guys in Edmonton, I have no idea what your weather is right now, but this is what our weather is like. Crazy. The whole sky is gray. Like, get over here, guys. All gray and dark. If it gets black, guys, tornado. Not really tornado, but it has to be very strong wind, very cold and warm. And yeah, I just got this from the bookmobile. Just got this from the bookmobile, guys. Surprise! Okay, guys, this is a bad storm right now. So, right now we cannot tell, like, you can already tell. Guys, sorry, I just paused for a second, but this is crazy. Look. Guys, so yeah, this video here is gonna, cut down. It's so strong. Bye, guys.